to my channel. My name is Chioma. Here I upload sewing tutorials, DIY craft and pattern drafting. So today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful scrunchy hairband I'm wearing. But before I go further, please consider subscribing if you like what you see, like, share, and don't forget to leave a comment. So the material needed for this project are satin, elastic, scissors, tape, chalk, and ruler. I've also gone ahead to cut 3 pieces of fabric I'll be needing. So this biggest one will be my main fabric, and it measures 11 inches by 56 inches. And this one will serve as my lining. Measures 3 inches by 15 inches, and this one will be my elastic casing. It measures 4 inches by 15 inches. So the next thing I'm going to do is to fold my fabric into 2, just like this. And I'll fold again, just like this. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. So from this point, I'm going to go up by 1 inch, and I will mark. And from here, I will go in by 7 inches and mark. So I'm going to connect the 2 points. Now I'll cut off this part. What I'm trying to achieve here is a tapered effect. You can choose not to do this. Next is to go now and sew by 0.5 inch from this end to this end. And I will also sew my casing lining. I will also sew my casing, elastic casing, by 0.5. I'm going to sew my elastic casing by 0.5. I'll go now and sew, and I'll come and show you. I've finished sewing my main fabric and my elastic casing, and the next thing I'm going to be doing is to bring the seam line to the middle, as you can see. Next, with a safety pin, I'm going to insert my lining into the main fabric, and also my elastic casing into the elastic casing. I'm going to stop here, then pin down my lining to the main fabric so that the lining will not disappear into the main fabric. Then I will continue pushing in the lining. I've finished inserting the lining into the main fabric and also the elastic into the elastic casing. I've also gone ahead to sew the 2 ends. So the next thing I'm going to do is to Bring your elastic casing or the elastic right side facing right side. I'll place it at the middle, just like this, and I'll flip this side over and also this over. I'm going to secure it with a pin before I'll go over to the machine and sew. I'll also do that to the other side. Bring the elastic to the center, flip this side over and this side over. Then I'll secure with a pin. I'll go now to the machine and sew the two ends, and I'll come and show you the finished look. I finished sewing the two ends, as you can see. The next thing I'll be doing is to find a way to hide the rough ends. So I'm going to turn the rough end inside like this, and I also do the same at the other end. You see, I've covered the rough ends. You see, so I'm going to flip to the right side, and here comes our headband. So if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.